Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to fix TranslucentTB. This is an application that it converts your taskbar to a transparent and it's pretty cool. Sometimes it doesn't work because an update or a new version of Windows, so I'm going to teach you how to fix it. It's really simple. First, we gotta go to Google Chrome, and here on Google Chrome, we have to search for Vibe Tools, as you can see here, and we have to click the first link on GitHub. Now we gotta download this second link that you're seeing here on the screen, and automatically it's going to be downloaded a .rar archive, so we have to drag it down here on the desktop, and then we open it. Now on these three files, what we gotta do is to right click and extract on the main disk like you have. So if, for example, it's the C, D, or A, we just gotta extract there and just put the title C Vibes, and that's all. It's really simple. So now what we have to do is go to the command prompt. So we search on the Windows bar, and when this window's open, we just have to type in exactly what you are seeing on the screen. With the only difference is that in your IP, you have to put your computer PC ID, sorry. So once you do that, you just have to press enter, and then when we do that, it's all fixed. The only thing left is to restart the computer. So we restart the computer, and as you can see here, if I open it, the task is going to be clear and blank. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe if this helped.